Welcome to Knowledge Ocean. Today we will discuss about acids, alkalis and the pH scale. What makes a substance acid or alkaline? Acids are substances that taste sour. They release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Concentrated acids such as hydrochloric acid are highly corrosive. They can damage metals and potentially cause burns on the skin. Laboratory acids are far too dangerous to taste, but if you have tasted some weak acids such as vinegar and lemon. Alkalis, on the other hand, feel slippery. They release hydroxide ions in water. Alkalis are the bases that dissolve in water. A base is a substance that neutralizes acids. Note that all bases are alkalis, but all alkalis are considered bases. Like acids, concentrated alkalis are corrosive and can damage metals and human skin if mishandled. Alkalis are often used in household cleaners. When acids and alkalis mix, they neutralize each other, forming salt and water, a process called neutralization reaction. Solutions can be acidic, alkaline, or neutral. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline a solution is. A pH 1 means highly acidic, 14 is extremely alkaline, and 7 is neutral. Indicators commonly used in the laboratory are the litmus universal indicator and phenolphthalein. Let's examine how litmus solution indicator helps to identify acidic and alkaline solutions. Litmus indicator solution turns red in an acidic solution and turns blue in alkaline solutions. A recap. Acids release hydrogen ions in solution, typically having a pH less than 7. Alkalis release hydroxide ions and have a pH greater than 7. The pH scale helps us to measure the acidity and alkalinity of solutions. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.